Here we are building airplanes at the Strauels. Gabe, you learn anything today?
Yes.
Good stuff, bad stuff?
I don't know. Hopefully good stuff.
All right, just checking. Hey, Mark. Are there many other people done with their planes today? Hey, Mark. Is anybody else done with their plane today?
I'm done. Are you done, Mark?
I'm done.
All right.
Is there anybody else?
Does anybody else count? Does it matter?
Almost done.
There's
Let's
a lot
see.
of airplane parts laying around.
We're not even close to done.
I don't see an airplane over here.
Just don't turn the propeller on.
Yeah, I don't see one. I don't see anything done over
That's
here,
just
Mark.
because we don't have the top rubber bands
So
on.
sad.
Oh wait, was there excuse?
Yeah.
Excuse?
Yep.
Wow.
Oh.
Good.
And Team 2, how does it feel to be finished?
It feels good.
Yeah.
It feels
Yeah, it
really
feels
good.
And do you
be
think it'll
finished.
fly?
I think so.
Are we
I
looking?
think it'll fly. We know it'll fly. We
How long though? We're looking for 25 seconds or better.
I think we can do that.
All right.
We can beat
And
the
let's find out.
one.
Yeah, we can be the marks.
Yeah, the marks.
That was like 4.5 seconds.
You got it. Hold on to it. That's all the power I got, bro. What?
That tail stick.
Something's wrong with your tail. Too much up elevator, buddy. Let it fly, let it fly, let it fly. There you go, there you go. Oh boy. Nice. Oh yeah. That's a pile of elevator. Yeah.
That's lumpy.
Yeah, you were holding it right on the ground. Yeah. Nice. Look at that thing.
Butterfly's nice.
That's beautiful.
We beat the mark.
Oh boy. Look at that monster. Ooh, that was a cool turn.
Your guys' battery, so I bet you the battery's not motor, so I bet you it's not a full power.
Yeah, it's not. No, it's like a snap saw. It's like a snap saw.
You want to try that?
Yeah, do a little altitude. Over the power.
There goes the landing gear. It was great until that.
Hey, Mark. I'm not sure that the time difference. We may have to check the time to see who the winner is on the length
I
of flight.
think you're right. We need to get the timers out here. Oh, did they go home? Maybe they went home and well, we can't. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't. We don't want to embarrass
We need to
them.
go measure that hole.
Okay, let's go do it.
That's not nearly deep enough. In fact, I don't even see a hole.
Where's the hole, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have a hole.
I thought you were
Yeah,
supposed
we-
to have a hole. We
you
were
don't have a
measuring.
hole?
All I have to do
But,
is
but
like.
part of the competition was the biggest, deepest hole.
Didn't
I
you guys
didn't hear
won?
that. You guys win. Congratulations.
Yeah, we're not trying.
Now
job.
It's still flying. It's still flying.
It hasn't hit the ground yet.
Pull the power back just a little bit.
Trying to climb.
It was ready to fly. You're just overcorrecting.
I was scared.
We need some altitude.
All right, here we go. So, go ahead. Okay.
You got it.
Nope, wrong way.
Yep. So back to
So if I push it to the left, it will go to the left.
Yes. Go ahead. So just do easy and move it. Bring it left. There you go. And the turn. Yep. Good job. You got it. Yep. There's the. That's. Yep. Keep the nose up. We'll give it back to you again. You were getting it though. All right. Here we go. Now it's yours again. Bring it a little bit right. Yep. Yep. And don't move the stick in smaller movements. Don't push and then return.
That was a good idea, Isaiah. Easy on the power, he said.
Hey, at least it's not destroyed. At least it's not destroyed. And
I think that may have gotten a record.
your battery. Ready? Just gotta go straight.
Yeah. That's all I got.
Yeah, it went the wrong way. Yeah, it's going the wrong way. Hold on. You ready?
Are you doing that?
Yes. Yes, the old mark. It looks like ants. Get ready to dive, guys.
Flying now, though. Speed?
No.
Holy cow. I guess the whole thing is
Lines up to go with it.
Can you go at full speed?
Do you need a center to thrust line, Dad?
Huh?
Do you need a center to thrust line? Would it help?
By the way, I don't think we can get.
Up, pull up.
Oh,
Oh,
Nice.
beautiful, beautiful, beautiful landing there, sir. Beautiful.
Experimental aircraft require a certain amount of intelligence and design and experimentation
Yeah.
before they actually fly well.
Yeah, and that was beautiful.
Need some serious rudder.
Nice. There you go. There you go. So look, set your approach up so that you have nose high and you're settling with power, like a
Okay.
like a slow flight
Right.
before stall. So come in and line up nice and straight, and hold the nose up just slightly, and manage your rate of descent with throttle. Hold the nose up.
I'm too fast.
I know. You got to pull it up way back there. Pull the nose up and let it settle. There, like that.
Yeah, but I need to be way back
Yep,
there.
yep.
Ready? You go there, speed.
better though, huh?
Whoa, was that you? Yeah, the nose tuck. Yeah, the nose tuck. Yep. There it is. What is that? What is that?
Can you push it over?
Oh boy. So we need to
No, dive, no, dive, no. Dive.
I'm landing now. Ew. What kind of flare was that?